Okay, we got 2021-22 Upper Deck Series 2. 3 hobby box break number 4 Double D. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Log back on tonight. This got filled, so did the football. After I did the Chronicles refund, and again, my apologies to that scenario. But thank you guys, I do appreciate it. Everybody's been refunded on that one. And we'll do those boxes next week or something. But until then, let's roll through the team owners on this break, number 4 Double D. And we got team owners Anaheim going to Holly, Arizona Mad Max, Boston J5, Buffalo Greg K, Calgary going to Addie, Canes going to Archie, Blackhawks going to Archie, Colorado Mikey E, Columbus Batula, Dallas going to Mad C, Detroit Oz 72, Oil Mikey E, Florida Lemoyne, Kings Haas Mini Buttafuoco, MTL going to Gare, Nash going to Mad C, Devs going to Joey, Isles going to Mad C, Range going to Archie, Ottawa Archie, Fly Nikki D from the Bronx, Pitt Mad C, Sharks Dustin O, Blues Beef, Tampa Bay Mad C, Toronto going to James, Vancouver, Davis M, Vegas, Dustin O, Capitals, Dylan the Mad Scientist, and Winnipeg, Davis, Bo Bavis, Foshavis. Oh, holy cow, man. A little bit of a crazy night, I must say. All right. Well, good luck, everyone. And thank you. All right, here we go. Good luck. Ooh, starting out with a canvas. Jake Leschyshyn, Young Gun canvas. That is going to be, let's see the smoothie here. Young Guns canvas, that is going to be for Vegas. Jake Leschyshyn. We have a Young Guns. That is David Ferentz for the Nashville Predators. David Ferentz for Nash. Upper Deck Portraits, Jake Neighbors for St. Louis. His ancestors' favorite show was Mr. Rogers on PBS, Public Broadcasting Network. We got Ryan Getzlaff for ANH. They did not have a last name until they saw Mr. Rogers, his family members. We got Shea Theodore. When they started watching Mr. Rogers, they started calling each other neighbors. And they said, you know what? Let's make our last name Neighbors. There's a little info for Holly. We got Maxim Sushko, Young Guns for the Fly. Figured Holly could use some of the facts. And we got a marquee, the sleeper. This is the guy I think is a sleeper, Cole Perfetti. Nobody's really talking about or getting teams to grab Cole Perfetti, but I think he might be a sleeper. Kind of like I picked Kyle Connor to be the sleeper. And we got Wyatt Kalynuk. Now, the one I did pick that didn't really pan out was Victor Arvidsson. I thought he was going to be a little bit... I mean, not that he's bad, but... Alex Newhook. I was definitely right about DeBrincat. Everybody told me, yeah, if I played with Connor McDavid, I would have that many points too, Rob. And we got Keith Yandel for the Fly on the blue border. I said, I don't care if you're playing against the Junior Pee Wee League. If you're scoring that many points, you're doing something right, regardless of who you're playing with. And we got Andre Vasilevsky for TB. On a black canvas. I really like the black and the red canvas situation. We got a marquee rookie, Marian Studnick. And we got Nikolai Ehlers for the Jets. No way, dude. How have we done this? Oh my gosh. Oh, let me cover it. Dude, how? Jesse Yolinen. Bro. Archie, are you still there? Are you still there? For Montreal. Trying to see if Archie's still in the chat. Calling Archie. I don't think he is, but Costa, you still there? Well, I don't think he's still here. That's okay. This is one of the last team mojos, and these are so hard to hit. We've done it twice in a row. Here we go, Archie! Sick! Look at that, Arch. Do you know how hard that is to hit, bro? I don't care what player it is either. We got a Fanmation. It's not even on the odds sheet, bro. Fanmation, Laffy, Taffy. One of the last team mojos that sat in there for 20 years to fill. Lafreniere. Fanmation for the range. Archie picked it up as one of the last 3 teams. Wow, dude. We got a Francais sachet. That is Brandon Suter. We got an honor roll Mason McTavish. Marquee rookie Jake Neighbors. Again, the one who we got a Young Guns of Mr. Dawson Mercer from Dawson's Creek. NJD and the Devs. Vladimir Kutchev for the Haas. Did you see that, Arch? Dude, how hard is this to pull, bro? It's not even on the odds sheet, isn't it? Man, Arch. Talk about LTM, bro. Honor roll, Roman Yossi. We got a Young Guns, Justin Richards for the Rangers. Jeffrey Veal, marquee rookie for the Sharks. Oh, you didn't? Oh, dude, they're not even on the odds. You can't even find them on the odds of the boxes. I'm almost positive. Like, if you look on here, right here, I don't even think the odds are there for them, dude. I think it's kind of... I don't think so. I think they're like an Easter egg kind of thing. Well, I've pulled them in a previous year. They've been around for a while. But I don't think they're on the odds. Let's put it that way. They are not easy, dude. Carter Verhaeghe canvas. Let's put it this way. I've done... You know how many cases I've done of this over the years, Archie. I mean, hundreds. A couple thousand, whatever it may be. 1,000 cases of Series 1 and Series 2, somewhere in that area. I've only pulled maybe 3 of them? 4 of them? Maybe, and I might be forgetting. Maybe 5. Let's put it this way, a handful. Over the years. And I don't know if I've quite broken 100 cases. But you know what? I've been up to case 60, case 70. In 16, 17, I think I did 100 cases. So I've probably come close to doing... And then Series 2, I probably did 100 cases. I've probably done close to 1,000 cases. Of Series 1, Series 2, and Extended all combined. Adam Ruzicka marquee. Brandon Duhaime, Young Guns, for many. Yeah, I wonder if there's one on eBay. Fanmation of Laffy. Probably not. Portrait, Cammy York. Marquee rookie Boris Kachuk. Yo, Spence, what's up? Hey, dude, I logged off, and then I noticed the spots filled. Like, really, literally right after I logged off. So I came back on. I'm like, well, finished the football off for the guys. They waited so long. Anton Lundell. I mean, if I had the money and I could do it, I would have broke the Chronicles for everybody, but I just... Pierre-Luc Dubois. But yeah, you won the football, dude. You got a... No, a filler spot didn't win the football. It was, did you see it? Asta LaVisca Chenault Jr. He plays for the Carolina Panthers. Jan Jenik, Young Guns. He was with the Jags, but no longer with the Jags. Joe Thornton. Joe Thornton, blue. Ananacetate, Nikita the Kucherov, Tampa Bay. Can you hear me okay, Spence? Alex DeBrincat the Cat. Canvas, Chicago. And Mason McTavish. For those that were there during the draft with DeBrincat, Dylan Strome, if anybody remembers, I'm like, oh my gosh, the Coyotes can get Alex DeBrincat. I don't think that we're going to be able to get him on the 3rd pick. He's going to be gone, guys. Everybody's like, Rob, Alex isn't going to go for a while. I'm like, that's impossible. How could you not pick DeBrincat? There's no way he's going before, that Dylan Strom's going before him. It's impossible. And the Coyotes pick Dylan Strome, and DeBrincat goes many picks later. Well, I was right about that one. Even though I do like Dylan. Taylor Radish, Fluorescence Red. And a Young Guns for Vegas, Jake Lishishin. I ordered 2021 Series 2, but I could have put 21-22. I hope not. I mean, I thought I put 2021. We got Alexander Barabanov. And we got Honor Roll for Dallas. And a marquee rookie, Moritz Seider. For the Red Wings. And here we go, Hazy. Alex Laffy Taffy on the bedazzlement blue. We got a rookie marquee Vasily Podkolzin for the Couv. Spencer, are you there? Honor Roll. Philip Tomasino hanging out with Gino. And the Bambino Fascino. And Quentin Torretino. Gregory Hoffman. Young Guns in the Smoothie for CBJ. We got a marquee rookie Jesse Yolinen for the Montreal. Marquee, Karel Vejmelka, the Bambelka for the Yotes. Good old Yotes. Wonder how the Yotes will be this year. 10 wins, 300 losses? I'm just joking. Wonder how it's going to be playing in a 3,000 seat stadium. Actually, it might be kind of fun being at a game that's packed like that. And then it won't sound like this. Let's go, Coyotes. Let's go, Coyotes. I remember Ramos or somebody. I said, wait till you go there. That's what it's going to sound like. He's like, all right. And I went there. I go, did you hear it? He goes, I did, dude. It's horrible. You weren't joking. I go, I told you, dude. We got Connor McDavid on the canvas. And we got a beautiful checklist. Young Guns, Moritz Seider, Lucas Raymond for the Red Wings. Very nice. And we got a pink bedazzlement. About 2 pinks per full 12-box case. And we got an Anthony Bolivier Souchet, s'il vous plaît, Ote. We got a Francais Sachet, Jordan Kyrou, the Pyru Crips. We got an honor roll call, Denisenko, Florida Panthers on Denisenko. Grigori. Marquee rookie Jack Aken. We got a Young Guns. That is William Eklund. Young Guns for SJ and the Sharks. Where's the Cole Caulfield, the Raymond, and the Saida? We got a bedazzlement blue Mason McTavish. We got a marquee rookie Adam Razika. I need to get my fantasy hockey teams going again. We got honor roll Jake Neighbors for the Blues. We got a Young Guns again, Adam Razika for the Flames, Young Guns. We got the Dallas Stars, Ryan Suter, the Bambooter. Marquee rookie, Mason McTavish for Anaheim. Oh, we got a short print old guy canvas. Go old guys, Mike Lewitt. Red old guy canvas, Mike Lewitt. Nice one, Beef. Nice hit for Beef. Short print old guy canvas, very nice, Mike Lewitt. And we got Jacob Bernard Docker, Young Guns for the Ottawa Senators, aka Senators. Or Ottawa Senators, aka Senatros. Portrait. We got Hendrix Lapriere. Lapriere is with the Caps. And we got Semyon Varlamov for NYI in the Isles. Semyon, I like Semyon. And we got Johnny Tavares canvas. Little Johnny T action. And we got a Young Guns, Philip Tomasino, the Bambino. Friends with Gino. We got a marquee rookie. That is Boris Kachuk for TB. Upper Deck Portrait, Cammy York for the Flyers. We got a Young Guns, Josiah Gadjevich for San Jose and the Sharks. And we got a blue marquee rookie, O-Pee-Chee, Jonathan Darlene. Jolene. Darlene. That is blue. And we got a beautiful black canvas. That is Tristan Jarry for the Pit. Nice photo of Tristan there, overhead black canvas shot. And we got Mr. Seth Jones for the Blackhawks on the base. Surprising only one Young Gun canvas. That's a little bit of a surprise. Happens though. All right, some of the cards of the bigger players and some of the Cole Perfetti marquee. Bedazzlement, put one of the bigger guys in. Alex Laffey for the blue. I usually only load the pink. Anthony Bavolier for pink bedazzlement, usually 2 per case on average for the Isles. We got an acetate, that is Nikita the Kucherov for Tampa Bay. We got a fluorescent red, that is Taylor Radish. Boy, Tampa Bay. We have a marquee rookie of Moritz Seider for the Red Wings. 3 blues, Keith Yandel, Mr. Defense, Joe Thornton, and Jonathan Dahlin, marquee rookie blue. We have a short print old guy canvas red. That is Mike Lewitt for Beef with the blues. Very nice. And a nasty, insane, out of this crazy hit. They're so hard to pull Fanmations. Alex Lafreniere, Fanmation hit. Absolutely nuts. One of the last 3 teams bought. And we pull up Fanmation Laffy. Pretty crazy. And I had some of these other guys, I don't know why, but Connor McDavid, McTavish, Johnny Tavares, and a black Tristan Jarry overhead. I don't know why I loaded. I think I was loading them, kind of just going through the motions. But we have a checklist of the Young Guns. Moritz Seider, Lucas Raymond for the Red Wings. Nice one. David Ferentz, Maxim Sushko, Newhook for the Avs. Jesse Jolinen for the Montreal. Dawson Mercer for NJD. Justin Richards. And we got Brandon Duhaime for the Minnesota Wild. Anton Lundell for Florida. Jan Jenik for the Yotes. Jake Leschyshyn for Vegas. Quentin Byfield for the Haas on Kings. Gregory Hoffman for CBJ. William Eklund for Sharks. Adam Razika for CGY. Jacob Bernard Darker for the Ottawa Senators. Philip Tomasino for Nash. Jonah Gadjevich for the Sharks. And our only Young Gun canvas, Jake Leschyshyn, red YG canvas for Vegas. That wraps it up, guys. Thank you so much, everybody. I do appreciate it. For those to be here, we shall see you all on Friday. This was a continuation of Monday night. Some stuff sold after I logged off. Didn't realize it, so didn't want to make everybody wait, so I just hopped back on. And again, for that scenario with Chronicles football, guys, I apologize that I had the listing wrong in the description part of it. I apologize and didn't mean to make everybody wait. All right, Archie, thank you so much. Have a great night, bro. Be careful out there in the world, brother. Thank you for everything. Have a great night. Congrats on that Fanmation, bro. Take care, man. We'll see you soon, brother. Thank you.